morning and I've just woken up. It's 8 o'clock right now and I'm still very sleepy because yesterday was very hectic and it was very tiring. So I've just woken up. I'm just gonna freshen up, wash my face, brush my teeth, and then get back to you guys. Bye bye. So I've just brushed my teeth and everything and washed my face. तो अब oops मेरा बिस्किट गिर गया. I was having a biscuit and गिर गया. So now we are heading out for a walk. I was having this and it fell down. Anyway, so now we are heading for a walk and the weather looks good. It's quite sunny, but we're gonna go out and just explore the property, see what's in there, and then the breakfast will be in bed. So super excited. I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Okay, actually guys, this resort is a very good place. Like, I'm enjoying my holiday, my staycation. So if any of you guys are planning a staycation, you should check this one out. So this is the vegetable garden. As you can see, that's the cucumber, that's green lettuce, and there's bell pepper, there are chilies, so many more things. It's so nice that everything is organic and this whole garden looks beautiful. And look at the entrance, guys. The entrance is so cute, all green. Amazing. Loving this resort. The property is amazing, guys. Just look at this. Quite good. The breakfast is looking so amazing. Looking so tasty. Now I'm having some coffee, and as you can see, so much food is left because none of us ate. Hi you all. So we slept for a while and खाना breakfast खाते ही नींद आ गई. तो अब हम उठे हैं and now we are off to paintball or something, some activity. I'm just gonna open my room and take out my mask because I forgot to take it. हाँ तो देन सो अब हम जा रहे हैं किसी एक्टिविटी को करने to just pass our time because हम बोर हो रहे थे बैठे हुए. And I'm just gonna like take my mask. कहाँ गया mask? Just gonna take my mask and go. And I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I see this in every freaking video. But anyway, guys, it's a beautiful day. The weather is awesome. And I cannot wait to go out and just see the property again and explore and play and have fun because finally I'm out somewhere. I've not taken my shower yet because I thought I'm going to play, I'm going to sweat it out and then take my shower and then dress up properly and do some photo shoot. So that's that. And the weather is amazing. The view from my room is amazing. I'm going to show it to you guys. I'm just turning the camera around. 1 second. So guys, this is my room. Okay, that's the sofa, that's the window. Okay, here we have some donuts and that's the view. So the view is beautiful. The view is very beautiful. It's very nice and I love it. So now I'm going. Bye-bye. The breakfast was yummy. Had such amazing food. We had omelette, eggs, South Indian food, poha, paranthe, and everything. So super full. Cannot wait for lunch now because the food is so amazing here. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me now. Look at the weather, you guys. The weather is so amazing. The weather is so nice. There's so much greenery. Loving this trip. So this is their play area. This is the cricket area. that is the paintball section where we are going, and and those are the cycles, so we're gonna cycle also. We just finished playing cricket, so that's the trampoline, so let's go. Oh my god guys, you can see how much am I sweating. स्वेट से पूरा मेरा मुंह भर गया है. सो वी बोथ प्लेड पेंट बॉल, और पेंट बॉल से मुझे बहुत तेज़ लग गई मेरे शोल्डर बोन पे, विच इज़ वाई मुझे बहुत दर्द हुआ. सो आई वाज लाइक बस आई एम नॉट गोना प्ले एनी मोर, फिनिश दिस गेम ऑफ. सो वी फिनिश दैट, वी प्लेड क्रिकेट, एंड नाउ वी आर बैक, लाइक गोइंग बैक टू द रूम. सो नाउ आई टेक माई शावर बिकॉज आई एम स्वेटिंग लाइक अ पिग, and I'm gonna take my shower, freshen up, dress up properly, and shoot. Oh, I went to the wrong room. Finally I took my shower. I just moisturized my face, और जो मुझे यहाँ पे लगा हुआ था ना, अब वो ठीक हो गया, वो अपने आप बाहर निकल गया नहाते हुए. So I'm super happy because of that. I feel like having these donuts and the croissant, but I don't know if it's right. And I've definitely gained like 5-6 kgs here because I've been eating since yesterday and I think I've gained a lot of weight. पर अब क्या करें, छुट्टी पे आए हैं, छुट्टी पे तो खा सकते हैं. So anyway, I've booked a massage for myself, so I'm gonna go around 4:35 for my massage and I'm super excited for that. बस यही है. अब I'll just do a little bit of makeup, like I'll just apply some mascara, I'll just do my brows, put some lip liner, lipstick and stuff, and that's about it. Nothing on my skin because I like to leave my skin as it is. It's already very hot and very humid here, so don't want to do too much on my skin, and that's about it. Oh, what's this? This is something to eat with chai. And this is shakkar pare, if you know. So I used to eat it when I was a child. But anyway, okay guys, and I'm just gonna do something on my face and get back to you guys.